Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, guys, we'll show you how to remove or replace a air filter box. Okay, right here on Mercedes W163. This one, guys, will be the ML-Class from 1998 all the way until 2005. It should work for all the engines. Will be probably about the same. We're demonstrating on the ML320 with a V6, and we know that 430 V8 and the 500 is probably the same, and the 3.5. That's the air filter box right here, guys. Stay with us. We're gonna show you how to remove it. If you want to install cold air intake or something like that, so you know how to remove that thing. And we'll get a few more videos actually on that model, because we'll be doing transmission replacement. And that transmission is actually out of another vehicle, so that'll be really interesting to see how it's going to work. The transmission is out of a Dodge, but it's made up by Mercedes, so we'll see how it works. Stay with us. We're gonna proceed with removing the airbox now. Alright guys, now we need to proceed with removing the air filter. Okay, that's the box assembly right here, air filter box. So what you need to do now, guys, you need to grab it with hands and pull it out. There is a few rubber bushings, okay, you see, okay, like that. And it could be stuck pretty bad. So okay, it came out from another one. I think there is 3 of them. Don't remember exactly, to be honest with you, how many, but we're gonna get it out now in a second. There is one right here that's holding, you can see pretty good right here in the corner. So we need to grab it and pull it this way. Okay, you can pull the hose, that here, that intake little hose. Okay, and it came out. Okay, now you have that here. Okay, you can see it goes through here. And now we have a, okay, you can see you have a clip with a cable on the bottom. Really trying to get a good view. And ours got stuck. Okay, you can see, so we need to pry that clip out of the box assembly. You can see this thing goes right here. So not very hard to do. You can see those are the 3 rubber bushings that I was talking about. That's where the air box goes, you can see. And now we'll just get a prying tool. Okay, got it out. Okay guys, and now that's the air box assembly right here. Okay guys, so that's how you remove the air filter box assembly out of there. If you want to install cold air intake or something like that, that's how you do it, guys. Many more helpful videos on our channel. Please subscribe. Let's go with it. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.